Hello everybody, this is Jonathan from BlackboxMyCar, and today we're here to talk about the Thinkware U1000, one of the most highly anticipated and highly rated dash cams of the year. The U1000 is the latest addition to Thinkware's lineup of high-quality premium dash cams. We saw how impressive the Thinkware F800 Pro and the Q800 Pro were in terms of video quality, so we're quite excited to see what has changed and been improved with the Thinkware U1000. Thinkware is a world-leading Korean dash cam company. Since Thinkware started around 1997, the company has become a force to be reckoned with in the realm of smart card technology and dash cams. For those who are not familiar with the Korean market, the demand for pristine recording quality and energy efficiency is extremely high. Yet throughout the years, Thinkware's flagship products continue to raise the industry's bar with its innovative and impressive features. Today, Thinkware is one of the most trusted names in the dashcam industry, and their flagship products offer some of the strongest features in the market. You can easily find their award-winning products everywhere in Asia, Europe, and North America. The previous flagship product, the Q800 Pro, was introduced to the market as the next generation of the extremely successful F800 Pro. It was the company's most feature-rich dashcam, offering 2K quad high definition to deliver crystal clear captures of the road. But now all eyes are on the new U1000 and its impressive feature sheet, including 4K video resolution quality for the front camera and 2K for the rear. The U1000 comes in two different options. The first option is the front-only single unit, just like the Q800 Pro or the F800 Pro. With this option, you are purchasing just the front camera. It comes with all of the standard accessories, including a micro SD card, mounting accessories, and a 12-volt power cable. That's essentially all you need to set up a basic plug-and-play system to capture your drive ahead. The second option is an all-inclusive front plus rear 2-channel bundle. In addition to the front and rear camera and all of the standard accessories, you will also get an anti-glare CPL polarizing filter and a Thinkware hardwiring kit. In other words, with this bundled option, you are getting everything you need to set up a complete front and rear system that will provide you both driving and parking coverage. It is really nice to see Thinkware putting themselves in their customers' shoes and putting together a no-hassle, all-inclusive package that takes away all of the guesswork. At first glance, it would appear that Thinkware is going with a completely different design for the U1000. But if you look more closely, you will notice that the U1000 actually sports somewhat of a wedge design. We all know that the wedge design is typically more compact, making it the best option if you are looking to have the most low-key placement on the windshield. Just going by the looks of the dashcam and the feature sheet, the U1000 might seem like it's just the Q800 Pro with a new skin and an upgraded camera. The same premium features such as super night vision, advanced wide dynamic range technology, superior parking mode recording, cloud connectivity with advanced cloud features. But there's more to the U1000 than that. So let's take a look. The U1000's front-facing camera is equipped with an 8.42 megapixel Sony XMOR-R STARVIS imaging sensor. This is a significant upgrade for the 5.14 megapixel Sony XMOR-R STARVIS image sensor that is found on the Q800 Pro. So while the 5.14 megapixel image sensor gave us 2K Quad HD video quality, with the 8.42 megapixel imaging sensor, we are getting a pristine 4K Ultra HD that makes the U1000 2 times more vivid and powerful than the Q800 Pro. If you are planning on using your dashcam to capture your off-road adventures, or if you want to create home videos of your footage in slow motion, the 2K 60 FPS option will come in handy. A benefit of the 60 FPS is the improved reliability in capturing license plates and other details when oncoming vehicles are traveling at speed, as there are more video frames that are recorded. And you always want a higher bitrate, as the higher the number, the higher the video quality. The U1000 front camera has a bitrate of 24.13 megabytes per second. The other major camera enhancement that you will find on the U1000 is the 150-degree angle lens view. We typically recommend dashcams with a 135 to 155 degree viewing angle because this provides the most coverage in recording without visually distorting the footage. Anything less and you might miss out on crucial views in the event of an accident, and anything more, you will start to get what's called the fisheye effect. The Q800 Pro has a viewing angle of 140 degrees. At 150 degrees, the viewing angle of the U1000 is a full 10 degrees more, allowing you to capture some more peripheral details while still remaining within the sweet spot. Now let's take a look at the U1000's rear camera. Thinkware has made a new rear camera specifically for the U1000. The U1000 rear camera is equipped with a 5.14 megapixel Sony XMOR-R STARVIS imaging sensor, which is the same image sensor used in the Q800 Pro's front camera. In other words, you are getting the same pristine 2K Quad HD quality in the U1000's rear camera that you would from the Q800 Pro front camera. The U1000 is actually the first dashcam to offer a 2K Quad HD rear camera. No other 4K or even 2K dashcam on the market currently has such a powerful rear camera. The rear camera also comes with a 150 degree wide angle lens view so you can see more of the road behind you. With a 4K front camera and a 2K rear camera, you can expect unparalleled crystal clear video quality, and that's exactly what Thinkware delivered with the U1000. The U1000 utilizes the same advanced video enhancement technologies found in the Q800 Pro. That is definitely a smart move by Thinkware because we have all seen how powerful Super Night Vision 2.0 is, and we saw how the advanced wide dynamic range technology maximized the quality of the recordings in all sort of lighting environments. So, with these same technologies on board, you can expect impressive nighttime and low light footage, whether driving or parked. If we had to pick which is Thinkware's strongest feature, it would definitely be its parking mode features. The Q800 Pro had some of the industry's best parking mode features, and we expected the U1000 to be jam-packed with these premium features as well. The truth is, the parking mode features of the U1000 are exceptional. Just like the Q800 Pro, recording automatically kicks in if an impact or motion is detected while your vehicle is parked. The footage file is buffered, meaning that the U1000 will also save the 5 seconds leading up to the motion or impact, giving you a much more inclusive protection feature. The footage file is then saved in a specific folder so that it doesn't get overwritten by normal continuous driving mode. Another great parking mode feature that the U1000 sports is time-lapse recording. Just like the Q800 Pro, the time-lapse recording mode allows the U1000 to continuously record at 2 frames per second while your vehicle is parked. The lower frames per second greatly reduces the size of the video files as well as energy consumption, giving you parking mode coverage for a longer period of time. Now let's talk about the one parking mode feature that really sets the U1000 apart from the Q800 Pro, the ultra high frequency radar motion detection provided by the radar sensor. The U1000 has an optional radar module that you can easily plug into the main unit. The radar sensor is designed to detect moving objects within a 7 meter or 23 foot range. If an object is detected within the radar area, it will trigger the U1000 to go from energy saving mode to a recording standby mode for 30 seconds. With this radar motion detection, the U1000 becomes extremely energy efficient because now it can stay asleep for much longer, waking up only when an impact has actually been detected. As always, if you need longer parking mode coverage, be sure to check out the Selink Neo battery pack as well as the Selink Neo extended battery pack, which works as an extension to the Selink Neo battery pack, providing double the power. With the mobile application, you can view real-time footage, play recorded videos, enable firmware and safety camera updates, configure dashcam settings, and access the cloud service. Convenient control and constant communication, all at your fingertips. The U1000 brings to the table all of the premium cloud features that the Q800 Pro had on board, including geofencing, locate vehicle, and driving impact notifications. But there are a couple of new exciting cloud features that are exclusive to the U1000. First, there is the remote live view streaming feature in driving mode. You can now follow your vehicle with your smartphone anytime, anywhere, as long as you have internet connection, either via Wi-Fi or a hotspot device. The other new cloud feature that is currently offered only on the U1000 is the parking impact notification. The U1000 comes with the same safety camera alert features as the Q800 Pro and the F800 Pro. Just like the Q800 Pro and the F800 Pro, the built-in GPS in the U1000 is responsible for providing accurate location data that the safety camera alert function relies on to give you audible warnings about red light cameras and speed cameras in the coming distance. Thinkware is all about driver safety, so it is no surprise that the U1000 has also adopted the Advanced Driving Assistance System. Just like how you would with the Q800 Pro and the F800 Pro, you will get numerous driver alerts to prevent potential forward collisions, distracted driving, and accidentally veering off lane in all speed and weather conditions. As with all Thinkware flagship models, the U1000 comes standard with a Thinkware 32GB micro SD card. But with the 4K recording, your footage file sizes will be larger than those from the Full HD or 2K dashcam. So we recommend purchasing a 128 micro SD card so that you can save more of your footage before continuous loop recording kicks in and overwrites your older files. Just like the Q800 Pro, the U1000 supports upwards of 128GB, and you can easily select a memory card with a higher capacity at checkout. There are quite a few add-ons we recommend for the U1000. Let's start with the front-only single unit option. First off, there's the optional rear camera you can add on to your front unit for a complete front and back system. Also, the front-only single unit option only comes with a 12-volt power cable that you can plug into your vehicle's cigarette socket. But as always, we recommend the Thinkware hardwiring kit for both a neater installation and also to enable parking mode recording. Finally, a CPL filter to maximize the quality of recordings. Now, if you are getting the all-inclusive 2-channel bundle, you will already have the rear camera, the hardwire kit, and the CPL filter included as a part of the bundle. To get the most out of the revolutionary, energy-saving parking mode 2.0 that is currently only available on the U1000, the radar module is a must. Adding the radar module to your U1000 setup will give you 3 times the parking mode recording duration. Of course, to ensure uninterrupted parking mode functionality and to prevent wear and tear on your vehicle's battery, we always recommend getting an external battery pack. Now, if you are installing the U1000 yourself, then we would strongly recommend the BlackboxMyCar Essential Installation Kit. It comes with everything you need to tackle the project. You will also find an extensive library of instructions and tutorials on our website to guide you through every step of the way. And for those who prefer not to take on the task themselves, you are definitely not alone. We have a new service center in Richmond, PC that does installations. Book your appointment today. The U1000 is hands down a premium dashcam that is quite honestly in a league of its own. 4K ultra high definition from the front camera and 2K QHD from the rear camera is a combo that is very difficult to beat. Complemented with the revolutionary energy-saving 2.0 technology and the radar sensor module, the U1000 is definitely the hottest dashcam at the moment. The U1000 is designed to deliver the best of the best, and we have to give it to Thinkware for doing such a fantastic job at engineering a dashcam that delivers pristine video quality, yet at the same time remains so energy efficient. If you want unparalleled video quality, the U1000 will definitely not disappoint. If you are looking for extended parking mode coverage, the U1000 is currently the best in the market. If you are looking for an energy efficient dashcam, look no further, the U1000 is the one for you. The U1000 is now available at BlackboxMyCar, and thanks to the wonderful team at Thinkware who have worked with us for a number of years, we were able to get our hands on a couple of units early so that we were able to test them out thoroughly in case you had any questions about the U1000, including how to install or how to use the many of the functions. We are here to help. Providing the best quality products, the most comprehensive information, and the best customer service in the industry is always our number one goal. But don't just take our word for it. Check out what customers are saying about their experience with BlackboxMyCar. Visit our store today at blackboxmycar.com to check out the U1000 and other great dashcams from Thinkware and other trusted brands.